Oh, it smells nice, actually. Oh my god, it is filling with water. That's so cool. It allows the steam to condense, turning into water. Benny rawit putih setan. Setan atau selada? Ayo, apa bun? Hello everyone, so today we are going to be continuing our experiment. We're going to be doing experiment 2 and 3. So let us begin. So you already know how this works. We did it last time and this time we're going to be doing it again. So this time we're going to be doing experiment number 2, which is distillation. And basically I don't really know what we're going to be doing, but I think I have the basic idea. So let us begin. So, let's get this out. Okay, so mix it with the tea leaves. Oh, it smells nice, actually. So in the tea leaves, we dump it in there. In. Mix it with the tea leaf. That's not tea anymore. That's not tea. This is not tea. It smells good. This video is sponsored by Sariwangi. That's good enough. Is it hot? Oh, it's hot. Okay, that's hot. And after we have to connect it here, I think. Is it the wrong way? No, it's the right way. Okay, hold on. Like this. And after we should, okay, let's remove the spoon. We'll put it in here. This is too big. Okay, this is very big. Let's find that. And then after that, we're gonna need some ice cubes. And now we're gonna take some ice cubes. I actually need to pour them into here. Okay, so we need more ice, I think. Be very careful. And there you go. I'm just gonna also put this here, I guess. Basically, what we're gonna do is gonna wait. Okay. Very careful. Oh, okay. No, put that one in there. Take it out. Okay. I think we need like a smaller cup kayaknya. So this time we're going to be using a different container and a smaller one as well, so this one can actually fit. So let's do it again. Oh no, I want to dip it in. Okay, so we have our tea water here, so now we're just gonna attach this over here. Hopefully it won't drop. And then after that, we are going to add the ice. Okay, be careful. Oh god. Okay, let's check the bottom. See the bottom? If it's going to fill with water. Hopefully it will. Oh, it is filling with water. Oh my god, it is filling with water. That's so cool. You can't see it, but it is filling with water. So basically what it is, the ice melts over the temperature of the warm tea. And basically the ice melts, dropping into this. That is called, turns to liquid. Basically the steam from here. It gives off, but then the ice over here, it allows the steam to condense, turning into water. So that's how it works. So now basically we need the cup of dirt, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant a seed. Kak, we need the seed. Mau strawberry, seledri,
Cabai.
Benny rawit putih Ayo, apa bun?
Strawberry.
Oke, strawberry. We're having fun here.
Yes.
We're having so much fun. Why is it plastic in mortal? Are you kidding? What do you need such a big packet for only this? What the hell? Why are they growing so many strawberries? Can we bring this home? Okay, just do I pour it? Is it? Take it. Get out! Get out! I love this. This is a comedy. We're having fun here, right?
Yes.
Ugh, so hard out there. Dig, 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 dig. Why is it mostly water? Dig, 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 dig. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Okay, gotta be very careful. Oh, it is filled with water. Hooray! See, look, it's filled with water. Okay, so after that we're gonna. Oh no, is it too big? It's too big. It's too big. Oh yeah, can. Okay, let's see. Is it doing anything? Okay, so basically how this experiment worked is that, well, I already, okay, let's demonstrate. So basically, just be careful. The hot steam generated by the warm tea would flow up, but then after that, the ice over here would allowed the steam to cool down, thus creating water. Because when steam or water vapor is cooled, it creates water. Creates liquid. And then after that, basically, what you want to do is if you have any plants, you can do this. And this would basically water your plants as so. So you wouldn't need to water the plants yourself, you can just use this. So yeah, this experiment is a success. Okay, so basically what was the plant we planted, you may ask? So basically the plant that we planted was a strawberry seed. Basically you have to water it for 12 to 30 days and it would grow like this. It says to water it 2 times per day, which is, okay, that's something. Alright, so we are back after a few days, and so here are the results so far. It says it's usually going to take about 2 to 3 weeks to grow, but I do have some progress. So as you can see over here, there is a bit of a sprout over here. And there are a few roots as well, if you can see them. But yeah, that's progress far. Hopefully in a few weeks' time, it will grow and we'll have some fresh strawberries. So thank you so much for watching this new video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.